Imagine this. You're managing a multi-million-dollar project and suddenly your supplier fails to deliver on time. The schedule slips, costs rise, stakeholders start asking tough questions. What do you do? This is where risk analysis techniques come into play. In today's video, we'll explore the key qualitative and quantitative risk analysis techniques in project management. Explained simply. First, let's define risk. In project management, a risk is any uncertain event that could affect your project objectives, positively or negatively. Risk analysis helps you understand two things. One, how likely the risk is, and two, how big the impact could be. There are two main approaches: qualitative risk analysis and quantitative risk analysis. Let's start with qualitative risk analysis. This is quick and practical. It helps you prioritize risks without diving into complex math. Common techniques include risk probability and impact assessment, rating risks on a scale, such as 1 to 5, or low, medium, high, probability impact matrix, also called a heat map, which visually highlights high-priority risks, risk categorization, grouping risks by source, such as technical, external, organizational, or regulatory, risk urgency assessment, identifying which risks need immediate action versus those that can wait. Delphi technique, gathering expert opinions anonymously to reduce bias. And SWOT analysis, mapping strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. The advantage? It's fast and cost-effective. The downside, it's subjective, since it depends on expert judgment. Now let's look at quantitative risk analysis. This is all about numbers and probabilities. Some techniques you should know: expected monetary value, or EMV, probability multiplied by impact, useful for decision trees and cost-benefit analysis. Decision tree analysis, a visual way to evaluate different choices and outcomes. Sensitivity analysis, often shown as a tornado diagram, to see which risks drive the biggest change in project outcomes. Monte Carlo Simulation, running thousands of scenarios to predict project completion time, costs, or other outcomes. Fault tree analysis, a top-down method analyzing causes of risk events. Event tree analysis, a forward-looking method analyzing consequences of events. In failure mode and effects analysis, or FMEA, scoring risks by severity, probability, and detectability to calculate a risk priority number. Quantitative analysis is accurate and data-driven, but it requires more time, data, and specialized tools. Besides these, there are also supporting techniques, brainstorming, and checklists for comprehensive risk identification. Root cause analysis, to understand why risks occur. Scenario analysis, evaluating what-if situations, and simulation models. Integrating risk data into project schedules and cost estimates. So how do qualitative and quantitative compare? Qualitative analysis is quick, subjective, and requires little data. Quantitative analysis is precise, objective, but needs reliable data and resources. Best practice? Start with qualitative, then apply quantitative techniques to the most critical, high-impact risks. Here's a practical tip. If you're in the early stages of a project or don't have much data, stick with qualitative. But if you're managing a complex, high-value project, go deeper with quantitative methods. Remember, great project managers don't avoid risks, they analyze and prepare for them. To wrap up, qualitative analysis helps you prioritize quickly. Quantitative analysis helps you calculate the real impact. Together, they create a powerful risk management strategy. If you found this video useful, hit the like button, subscribe for more project management insights, and share your go-to risk analysis techniques in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.